I've got a quick one for you guys this week. As you can see, this key generator only displays the upper portion of its generated numbers. Using a small screwdriver, let's approach opening this device from the end. Now ordinarily there's a channel of these tabs that need to be released in order to gain entry.
You son of a bitch.
Sometimes easier said than done. Let's try it again. Cool. Now you'll find this ribbon cable which ends in several solder joints, corresponding to the displayed characters. Using a soldering iron, briefly run the length of each contact. This will reflow that solder joint. Of note, this fix is certainly not limited to just this particular device. In fact, I've commonly done a very similar fix to reflow solder joints on scientific calculators like a TI-85, which are manufactured in similar fashion using an adhesive ribbon cable and the same solder joints.
Oh yeah.
If this video gave you some good ideas, I'd appreciate it if you kicked me a like, and I hope to see you for the next video.